Hi guys, so in this video I'll majorly be showing you how you can leverage our on-platform LLM integrations to create content, or how you can utilize that to provide further enrichment to your lists. And I would also be showing you how you can create column instances in different actions, which would allow you to create more complex grids and workflows, as in you can gain context from the result you obtained in one column and then utilize it either in a text model or so on and so forth. The example I'll be taking in this video would be of a text model. So let's just go with it. So if you go to add column, action column, so our default action column is always a text model, which is GPT-4 fast. Other than these, we also have GPT-4 mini, Claude, both variants of Claude available. So you can play around, see what model works best for you. For this walkthrough, let's just focus on GPT-4 fast, which is our default LLM tool that we utilize. I feel that in cases of content generation, or where you want to personalize content, maybe Cloud might work better, but this is on a case to case basis. So as of right now, let's just focus on GPT-4, right? So this is how the interface looks. You can rename the column. I can name this further enrichment maybe, right? So how this goes is that you, to gain context of a separate column, you can simply tag it using the @ symbol. It would pull a drop down. You can just scroll and reach the column which might have some kind of information that you want to further utilize. So for me, maybe that is in the headline and at title. Okay, so I would just write a small prompt now that can utilize these two data points to provide some kind of enrichment to my data. Right. So this is the prompt available. So this is something that we recommend to most of our users, where we ask them to write very clear, concise prompts where whatever they want the LLM to do, just mention it in a couple lines, nothing very exorbitant or huge, and then specify an output format, and whatever input parameters that you want to pass into the prompt, pass it at the end, so that it does not confuse between the directions and the input parameters. So it knows that the input parameters are in the end, and above that, whatever information or whatever text there is, that are directions for the model to follow. So this is something that we recommend to almost all of our users. So this is a sample prompt. I'll just save this, and you can see how you can tag different columns. Simply use @ and then it would open a drop down as I showed earlier. I'll save this and run it for the first 10 rows. Right. So we have the enrichment available right here, whether what industry they're in, okay, and are they a decision maker or not. So right then I can further utilize these enrichments to either filter out some of these people whom I want to reach out to, maybe check whether the industry they are operating in is an ICP for me or not. So there's multiple different things that I can do, and I can utilize these for more complex workflows and grids, so on and so forth. So yeah, this is it for this video. I've kept it very short. Do reach out to us if you have any questions for this. Our community channel is open for all, and subscribe. Bye bye.